As you've seen from the recent little video series, we were looking at how to deal with crockery, well, plates mostly, for beginners and all the sorts of things you could cut. So now let's do a project that incorporates some of those ideas. So I thought this edge of this plate that came from my treasure trove of broken things would make a great edge around the outside. So if you've got some plates that are not too bendy, so this bit is fairly flat, so the rim of the plate is fairly flat. It doesn't have to be this wide, it can be narrower, it can be wider. But we need enough edge to go all the way around. I don't think I have enough edge there, but we'll see how we go. The other thing I thought I would do just a mixed media for everybody. So we can do some of these beautiful, only because I want to use these beautiful tiles I got from in my last stash from 19 Mosaics, who introduced all those beautiful new colours, and I got so carried away I forgot to put the hanger in the back. These are all these little plaques are to do with a little fundraising effort I'm going to try to raise some money for Heavy Horse Heaven, who rescue really big horses that have needed to be rehomed or reloved. If you're in Australia, go to Made by Miranda and you'll find all sorts of cups cut in half, vases, teapots and cute little other things that are just perfect for adding something extra to your mosaic. Worth a look. So I'll show how to do a mirror back here. Not everyone does that. Some people do trace it on their mosaic on the inside. That's just too fiddly for me. But really it's up to you whether you want to use one of these or not. And then either way, because this is about tea, all different sorts of tea, I'm going to make a heart out of crockery to put up here, but I'm not sure which crockery I'll use yet. Perhaps this one, but the blue part of it. So I'll need to, I think, probably a square about that size, which is, this tile is almost 10 centimetres or 4-inch square, and then something that's round that's at least 5 or 6 centimetres, so half the width of this. And we'll look at how to make our own heart pattern, and then we'll smash up some crockery and make the heart out of crockery. So we're inspired by Michael Groom's technique of let's smash it up small and see what we can do. So hopefully you'll enjoy this. I'll also use these 15 centimetre flat backs as my edging tile around this board. So it's, I think, a good project to bring all of those things together. And from a crockery perspective, how to do the border out of crockery, and we may even make 1 or 2 little small flowers around here. I might even cut them out of the plate, but we'll see how we go. How does that sound like a project to bring all those ideas together without being overwhelmed by 85 different things to cut out of crockery? Baby steps. Let me know what you think.